Dr. Kamlesh Jain. Dr. Kamlesh Jain is a professor in Medical College and having additional responsibility as State Nodal Officer for segments of National Program for Non-Communicable Diseases. That is also the National Tobacco Control Program, and also officiated as the European Commission State Partnership Program as Nodal Officer of the state. We welcome you, Dr. Kamlesh, and Dr. Kamlesh would be speaking on the efforts done in Chhattisgarh to achieve multi-sectorial convergence for tobacco-free India by 2030, leading the way towards sustainable development goals. We hope to hear your initiative as well as your whatever challenges that you have faced. Welcome, Dr. Kamlesh. Please proceed. Your time starts now. It will be 5 minutes for a presentation. Dr. Kamlesh, can you hear us?
Mr. Kamlesh, we can't hear you.
Yeah, Dr. Kritika, were you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very well.
Yeah, thank you so much for the confirmation. I'm sorry, I should have checked before I started actually.
No, sir. That's fine, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Kamlesh, can you hear us? Dr. Kamlesh?
Sir, I believe he has some technical issue.
Okay, can you please coordinate with him?
Yes, sir.
I think we have you. I know you're very well aware of the time.
We can go to the next participant if.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will call the next participant.
Dr. Kamlesh is ready, please see. I think he has unmuted.
Good morning, Dr. Rana sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Kamlesh, welcome. Can you please put your slides on the screen, please, and share your screen? Yeah. Can you just check the changing of slides? Okay, please. Dr. Kamlesh, the stage is yours. Please proceed with the presentation.
Sir, just for information that we will be regulating your slide control. Over to Dr. Kamlesh. Dr. Kamlesh, again, we have an issue with your audio.
Are you audible?
Yes, you're audible, but it's really low.
Okay, I'm not able to hear what is the technical problem, but
Dr. Kamlesh, can you come closer to the laptop and present, or use a mic, a separate headphone?
I again try. Where is my? 1 minute. I'm checking it. Okay,
Yeah,
what is the problem?
Yeah, I think it's loud and clear now. You can just come closer and speak. It will be better.
Okay, now is it okay?
Yes, very much.
Yeah.
Please proceed.
Okay,
Please proceed.
thank you so much. So now I just want to introduce about the Chhattisgarh. Yeah, as you know, we are also implementing this tobacco control program, and across this, we have right now 28 districts, and initially we started this program in a phased manner, but right now 28 districts we are uh, im- uh, implementing it. And next slide, please. Next slide. Yeah. So this is everyone is knowing it. It's a very challenging subject with us right now, and it is a continuous process. And we need to have a very strong convergence and stakeholder involvement of the stakeholders. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to run the program in a very effective manner. And this is about Chhattisgarh. We are having a very highest level of prevalence about the tobacco users, but chewing tobacco is high as compared to the smokers. Current situation in Chhattisgarh, as we started this program with the involvement of a state level coordination committee. So a state level coordination committee has been established. The Gazette notification has already issued. All the stakeholders, the department has been involved. What roles and responsibilities have been already has been set by as per the guideline. But now we need to motivate the department. We need to orient the department also. Otherwise, they will not able to push the factor what is required for the current scenario. So district level coordination committee also, we did a very strong effort for it ki at least we, and this system development is very important to start any activity. So in these way we started the whole things, and every 3 months DLCC's meeting is going on. But we are facing challenge. We are facing challenge for the state level coordination committee meeting. At last 2 years, I'm very much struggling to hold the meeting with the chief secretary, so that the other secretaries will understand ki what will be the requirement of this tobacco control program. But still, we are hoping so many things. But down the line, at the government, at the district level, we wanted to orient all of them. Next slide. Next slide, please. Hello. Yeah, so these are the challenges in Chhattisgarh, as it is a state formed in 2001 only. So we were very much, and it is a across. It's a rampant problem. It is not a state specific only problem. It is across the country. Lack of manpower, coordination issues, tobacco industry influence, less priority to the program. This is another thing which we need to push every time. And I'm taking help of technical partners like the union and WHO and other agencies also. Please push the factors from side by side. So we are also facing problem for vendor licensing here. So and pandemic COVID 19, this is a COVID-19 pandemic situation. We are also totally engaged with the other. Next slide. Next slide, please. So the we what we have done, we found कि yes, there are last 2 years से हमारी कोई meeting, we are not able to find time of our chief secretary and the other secretary, so that we are the other partners like media, public relation, transport department, Nagar Nigam, this labor department, agriculture. Some of the departments we are very much close, like a WCD and the education department, we are closely working with them. But for the other departments, we need to do hard work. So hotel associations, bar associations, tax department, we are working with the tax also. Our honorable health minister wanted to raise the tax, but because of GST, we are facing problems. So these are the gap analysis we have done it, and we wanted to push these things. So next slide, please. And yes, these are the only rational, like now Bloomberg initiative has come to support the Chhattisgarh, and the union is supporting for this as a technical partner. And now we have a good human resources to push the factor. And various department के साथ हमारा, we wanted to do the coordination for the better implementation. And we have other opportunities like RNTCP, NOHP, and mental health programs are also there. So we wanted to merge all these things. So and the regular follow-up is also required to do something. So these are the actually some of the things are mixed actually in this slide, but we wanted to do some interventions because of this. Next slide.
Dr. Kamlesh, if you could just quickly.
So these are the department. We have done the coordination. Next. So these are the efforts we have done in last 1920 years. 185 interdepartmental training program we have conducted in last total 27 districts. Now it is 28 districts. New districts have been formed. 10,361 officers have been trained right now. So we are happy at least what is tobacco control and what are the roles and responsibilities, what they can contribute to the department and to the community. That type of things have been understood by the officials. So and state level 5 rounds of training program have been done, and 400 state level officials also have been trained. And these pandemic situations, also the collectors have been trained for SLT. So this smokeless tobacco is spreading COVID infection or may enhance the COVID infection. So these type of orders have been issued, and 14 orders have been issued by the district collectors, different in different districts. 60, more than 60 dental surgeons have been trained for tobacco cessation services, and we are supporting all of them to establish a fixed day tobacco cessation clinics in state of Chhattisgarh, and all of them have been trained by either the union people or NIMHANS. So these type of things have been started, and started the next slide. Stakeholders engagement, we have already set it like a toffee. We are using this format, and the monitoring tool also, which has been already set by the government of India, and closely started the training program with the teachers also. So these are ground level works where we have started it, but uh, basic challenge is at the top level. Next. So this is a Jaipur outcome. One of the district has been already declared as a smoke-free district, because down the line we have seen it. If all the departments will agree to work for a one outcome, then and leadership will be there, then we can achieve some goals. And Jaipur has set the example. So the yellow line campus already started. We have done it in 1957 educational institutions, and 293 shops also. We have done some actions. So these are the galleries. Just a very small interventions we have done. I wanted to set the examples. We need to do more hard work in the state of Chhattisgarh, but these are the only presentation. Thank you very much from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Kamlesh.
Thank you, Dr. Kamlesh.